If you've ever tried eating bread and suya, you definitely know that this recipe is a hit. Hey guys, let's make suya bread. This bread came out soft and delicious. I promise you, if you watch this video to the end, making bread will be one of the easiest things to do. In my mixer bowl, I added 3 cups of all-purpose flour, then going with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Not to worry, I'm going to leave the measurement in the description box, so do well to check it out. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. In my cup, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of warm water. This water should just be warm to touch, not hot at all. Then going with 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Stir to combine and set it aside. If your yeast forms some form of bubble, then you're good to go. To the all-purpose flour, I'll be adding some suya spice because we need it to have some suya-ish taste. Using your dough attachment, mix everything all up and add the yeast mixture. Mix till everything comes together and forms a smooth dough. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once this is done, go in with about 3 tablespoons of butter to soften the dough. Now mix for another 3 to 5 minutes to form a smooth but stretchy dough. Once this is done, add some vegetable oil to the bowl. This is so that the dough does not stick to the sides of the bowl when it's rising. Now let this sit at the warm part of your kitchen and proof for about 40 minutes or till it doubles in size. Now it's time to shape the dough into my own desired shape. You can choose any bread shape of your choice, but this is what I will be doing, so enjoy. Now we fill with some suya chunks, roll it and then let it proof for another 30 minutes or till it doubles in size. This should take about 30 minutes. While we're waiting for the dough to proof, in another bowl add some melted butter and some suya spice. Mix this all up and then brush the top of the bread with it. This gives it that shining look. Now transfer to your preheated oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. After baking, this is what it looks like. Super soft, nice and yummy. So what do you think of this suya bread recipe? Is this a hit or a miss for you? Do let me know in the comment section and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.